Ready to supercharge your Google Ads conversion tracking with surgical precision? First off, go to your Google Tag Manager account and navigate to the Triggers tab. This is where we'll define what actions on your website will fire your conversion tracking. Think of triggers as the win for your tag. Click that bright blue New button in the top right corner to create a new trigger. Give your trigger a descriptive name, something like button click purchase success, so you know exactly what it's for. Keep it simple and clear. Next, click on the trigger configuration area. This opens up a panel with various trigger types. We'll focus on a common trigger type: click all clicks or click some clicks. Selecting some clicks, this option allows us to be incredibly specific and track only desired actions. After choosing some clicks, you'll define the conditions. This is where you tell Tag Manager which specific clicks to track. You'll choose things like click element, click text, click URL, or click class from the drop-down menu, then set the rule like contains. Now you define the value. For example, if you want to track clicks on a Buy Now button, you'd set the click text to contains and then type in Buy Now. Remember, this is just an example. Your situation will vary based on the specific features of your website. Also take note that it's important to test your triggers after configuration. Save this trigger, and remember, triggers work in tandem with tags, so once you've created a trigger, head over to your tags and connect this trigger with the appropriate conversion tracking tag in Google Ads. Now you can make sure the tag fires only when your user performs the desired action. Congratulations! You've mastered trigger creation in Google Tag Manager. Apply your new skills, improve your campaign data, and optimize your Google Ads toward even bigger results.